Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my room. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. So sana po okay po ang araw niyo for today kasi okay ang araw ko for today at masaya akong ibabahagi na naman sa inyo ang another hipon recipe. So kung meron tayong buffalo chicken wings, meron din akong buffalo shrimp. Okay? So, hindi na natin papatagalin. Let's start how to cook this recipe. So itong ating hipon guys. So let's peel, clean, and stretch our hipon. And this is my preparation. Okay guys, peeled ng ating hipon. Let's clean. So tatanggalin natin guys yung intestine niya dito. You know, yung pinaka-black na yan. Yan. And then, dito din, may intestine din siya. Okay? Kasi, syempre, medyo madumi to. Kaya, we need to remove. So, how to stretch? Ganito, guys. Yan. So, huwain nyo lang siya ganyan. Yan. Stretch siya. Okay, let's marinate our hipon. 1 egg. Pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. And then, put Maggi Savor Seasoning. Pampalasa. And then, let's put our shrimp guys na stretch natin. And then, let's put breading mix. So, maraming mga brand guys ng breading mix. So, any brand you can use. Okay guys, so marinate lang natin ang ating hipon for about an hour. And let's fry, okay? So, let's prepare the sauce, guys, habang minamarinate natin ang ating shrimp. So, ito yung mga ingredients na I-prepare for our buffalo sauce. So, of course, meron tayong butter, and then meron tayong mga spices. Ito yung Cayenne, and then Oregano, dried oregano, and then Spanish paprika, and ito naman is yung dried na rosemary. So, option lang naman to guys, kung wala kayong mga dried spices. Kasi ako, marami akong mga spices. Ayan, oh. And then, of course, meron tayong 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup. And meron din tayong 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. And of course, meron tayong hot sauce. Okay? So, kung sa mga kids, huwag na nating ilagay ang ating mga maanghang na ingredients. Okay? Put the butter guys. Then put oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, and then of course ang ating mga spices. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan guys ng salt, pero it's up to you kung medyo matabang sa inyo dahil sa ating marinated hipon, naglagay na tayo ng salt. Okay? And medyo maano din yung breading mix na nilagay natin. Medyo maalat-alat. Okay? So, let it boil for a few minutes and all done our sauce. Then, let's put konting hot sauce. Konti lang. Kasi I'm not fan ng maanghang din. Pero, for beans, kaya lagyan natin, okay? Okay, all good sa sauce natin, guys. Next, fry our hipon. It's frying time. Dapat mainit na mainit yung mantika para hindi dumikit. So, let's mix, guys, ang ating crispy fry hipon sa ating ginawang sauce kanina. Okay. Mix, 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 mix. Okay, lagyan natin ng sesame seeds. Simpleng-simple lang ang ating buffalo shrimp. So, let's put into plate and it's tasting time! Yahoo! Vince's favorite time ang tasting time, guys. Yan. May french fries pa tayo, guys. Yan. Pinay ko din kanina. Then, garnish with sesame seeds ulit. Ping, ping, ping. Ping, ping, ping.
Ping, 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 ping.
Para mas magandang presentation, let's put our fresh basil leaves. Okay? Okay, here's our finished product. Ang ating buffalo, not chicken wings, but shrimp. So, let's taste, guys. Gusto nyo? Lutuin nyo na at home. The sauce. Perfect yung pag-blend, guys, ng tomato ketchup, then the oyster sauce, at saka hot sauce. Habang tumatagal, nalalasahan ko yung anghang ng hot sauce. Harap. And then yung lasa ng hipon, flavorful din, kasi nga, minarinate natin. Isa pa. So, best, guys, na alternate sa inyong buffalo chicken wings. Okay? So, the other day, or after a few weeks, try nyo naman ang buffalo shrimp. And then, haluan nyo din ng fries as alternate sa inyong Pica Pica na hipon. So, i-consider nyo to, guys, sa inyong Pica Pica at home pag may mga bisita kayo, friends, relatives. So, aside sa mga, what do you call, chicken wings, squid, or calamares, crablets, gawin nyo din to na idagdag sa inyong Pica Pica. Okay? So, sana po nagustuhan nyo ang ating recipe for today. At I love, guys, na to hear from you, your comments, if you already tried this recipe. Okay? Please comment below. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please leave comments and hit the bell button to notify you for new videos. Okay? So, bye for now. I love you all, guys, and thank you sa patuloy na suporta nyo sa YouTube channel ko.